An empty wall in your office is super boring, and you can use some simple decor ideas to enhance the looks of the walls or the glass panels in your corporate office. For example, you might want to use this beautiful laser cut design of a lotus and paste it on your wall. But how would you go about doing the same? Step 1, we take your logo or your design and laser cut it from the shiny metallic gold acrylic material. Next, we cut that same design from this plastic stencil material, and this stencil is going to aid us in the installation of our acrylic logo. So at the time of installation, you simply take the stencil and first paste it on the wall where the logo has to be installed. Once the stencil is in place, you simply take the individual components of our design and place them in the areas marked by the stencil. Remember, each of these acrylic pieces also have the super strong 3M tape on the back side. So you simply peel off this tape and you put our individual petals in place just like this. And once all the parts are in place, you remove your stencil to leave the design in place, which is going to enhance the look of your wall and which is going to grab the attention of every visitor who comes to visit your workplace. So the next time you're looking to enhance the interiors of your office, whether with some kind of logos or even these wall murals behind me, do not hesitate to follow us here at orchiddigitals.com.